Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia One Plus, and today I will show you how to transfer contacts from SIM into the device. So start off by opening up the contact and the standalone app, as you can see right here. Otherwise, you also have contacts when you go into the dialer, but you don't have the option right here. So if I go here, there's no option that we're looking for. So make sure you open up the standalone contact app, which is made by Google. And as well, if you're logged into a Google account, it will show you contacts that you might have already pre-existing with that account. But what you want to do is tap on the bars up here and then go into settings. And at the bottom, you will find import. If you tap import, you have two options. You have either import from SIM or VCF file. Now you can create a VCF file as well if you have some contacts here. So you would just allow to storage, and it's just a file that you can find and transfer, let's say, to SD card and open it, and then you'll have basically a list of contacts that you can open. And SIM card, you basically have, like as you can see, a couple of contacts, so you can then transfer. I'm just gonna, let's say, agree to it. 5 SIM contacts imported, and now if I go back, there should be all here. I can also show a little bit with the export. As you can see, I could export it as VCF file, so I'm just gonna do that as an example. Not really sure where it actually saved. Let me see. It's in downloads. So going back to VCF file, I could, as you can see, it's automatically taking me to the downloads where the contact list is created. And if I tap on it, it will basically import the contacts anyway without, so they're all doubled now. Sometimes you might have an option that it will allow you to select which contacts you want to import, and you can skip certain ones that you, for instance, don't want. But in this case, there was no option. I just imported them automatically all. So that's basically how you would do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.